Chapter 6 Homework Questions 22 and 11. Question 22. Determine and sketch the area under the standard normal curve that lies to the left of negative 3.02. To find it, we go to the table and we find negative 3.02, that's over here, and to the left is going to be this part of the curve, and this gives the area. To the right of 0.61. To find that, we basically find the area which is to the left of 0.61, and it's going to be this one, and we know that the whole thing is going to be 1 always. We subtract this from 1 and we get the area. Between 1.11 and 2.75, what we do is we basically find the z-score is 1.11 and 2.75. To find what's between, I basically find the area which is to the left of 2.75, the whole thing, and it's going to be this one. And the area to the left of 1.11, this part is going to be this. And when I subtract that area from this area, I will get the answer. Between negative 2.06 and 5.2. So negative 2.06 is over here and 5.2 is far away. When I look at the table, the area which is to the left of negative 2.006 is this number. This is the area, and I know that the whole thing is 1. I basically subtract this from 1. Why? Because this z-score, which is 5.02, is too far away. It's very close to the end of the curve, so I just basically subtract this from 1. Between negative 4.11 and negative 1.5. Negative 1.5 is over here and negative 4.11 is far away. I basically just go to the table and find the area which is to the left of negative 1.5. It's this area, and because this is far away, it's basically almost end of the curve, so this is the answer. Either to the left of 1 or to the right of 3. To the left of 1 is this. When you go to the table, you find this area for the left part of 1, and for the right of 3, this is the area of left of 3, this part, and when you subtract this from 1, you get this number. So because it says or, you basically add these two areas and you find the answer. Question 11. Consider the normal curves that have the parameters 1.5, mu is 1.5, standard deviation 3, mu 1.5, standard deviation 6.2, mu is negative 2.7, mu is 3, standard deviation 3, mu 0, and standard deviation 1. Which curve has the largest spread? To find your largest spread, you basically just look at the standard deviation. If the standard deviation is large, then it is spread more, and when you look at the parameters, the second curve has the largest spread because the standard deviation is the greatest among the others. Which curves are centered at the same place? To find that, you basically look at the mu values, the mean values, and the first one, which is 1.5, and the second one is again the same, because they have the same mu values, they are centered at the same place, first and second. Which curves have the same shape? To find the same shape, you basically look at the standard deviation. If they have the same standard deviations, then they should have the same shape. The first curve has standard deviation 3, and also the third curve has standard deviation 3, so they should have the same shape. Which curve is the centered farthest to the left? Which means that which of these has the mean? When you put on a number line, it's going to be on the very left. When you look at the means, the third curve has a negative mu, which means that it is centered farthest to the left, okay, because the others are all positive. Which curve is the standard normal curve? The standard normal curve has the mu, the mean, 0, and standard deviation is always 1. So the last one, the fourth curve, is the curve for the standard normal curve.